Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are starting a new series, 0 to Hero in Python Programming in 60 videos. So to be successful in this course, you have to watch all the videos and watch them sequentially, practice what you've learned, attempt the assignment, and if you want to be certified, like you want a certificate of completion, you can check the video in the description below on how to get certified for taking a course on Fibitech YouTube channel. So about the tutor, I'm Abbas Olaya Ayotunde. I'm a data scientist at Fibitech. I've been a software developer for 6 years. I'm a graduate of mathematical statistics, and you can follow me on Twitter at Ayotunde Olaya, or all other of my social media accounts. Just search Abbas Olaya Ayotunde. You have access to my content. Then this course we are treating 0 to Hero in Python programming. So basically, what is Python programming language used for? You can use it for scripting, like writing your normal code to solve mathematical problems or biological problems or something on the likes. You can use it for data science and analysis. I'm actually a data scientist, so I have a little knowledge of it. You can use it for web development. I actually use Django when I want to deploy my data science project. So you can use Django, you can use Flask. They are frameworks developed with Python programming language. You can use it for gaming. Actually, there is Pygame, a framework for designing games in Python. But I remember teaching a kid how to use Python, and the easiest way for me to actually relate to the person is actually teaching the person how to program the game of Bounce with Python, and it was actually a very nice framework. We use tkinter in developing the game. Then you can use Python to program your network if you are into networking. I'm not into networking, so you can use Python for networking and some other things that you can use Python for on the long run. Then there are different setup options to actually take this course. Actually, myself, I'm using Anaconda, so I set up Anaconda on my system. That's what I'll be using throughout this tutorial. But you can use other frameworks like Canopy, PyCharm, or you can just go to python.org and install Python and use a text editor to actually write your code. So if you want to install Anaconda, for example, just go to your search engine, probably just open your browser, just search for Anaconda. Then I believe the first link that will be shown to you will be the link to the Anaconda website. Just click on it, then it will bring you down here. Then you can download for whichever OS your system is using and install. Then if you are going to use PyCharm, I actually used PyCharm in the past. It was when I was learning how to program in Python, it was PyCharm I used. So you can download PyCharm. Don't worry, whichever code I write in my own Anaconda, which will be either Jupyter Notebook or Spider, you can actually run them in PyCharm and they will give you the same result. So just search for PyCharm download. The first link to download PyCharm will be the first link that you see will be the one to download PyCharm. So just click on it and it will bring you down here. Then just download for your own OS. So that's basically that. Then how to get the best out of this course? Code along, like whichever code we write, try and write it on your own too and see actually the work, because there are sometimes that an ordinary comma, an ordinary full stop somewhere, misappropriation of equal sign, just a quotation mark can be the difference between your code running and it's not running. So try to code along. You can get a partner if possible. You can get probably your friend that is also interested in programming to take this course along with you, so you guys can challenge each other. Then practice everything you learn in this course. Do the assignments. This is very, very important. You might think you understand what we treated in class when you've not attempted the assignment. But when you attempt the assignment, you discover you've missed something. You come back and watch the video again, practice, then do the assignment. Then ask questions. Ask questions on our YouTube page. Just comment your question under each video. We will try as much as possible to respond to every question that we see. And in case you know you have a solution to someone's question, please attempt to solve the problem for them. Then respond to other people's questions. That's what I just mentioned. Then watch these videos sequentially. Like if you want to actually enjoy the videos, watch them sequentially, because sometimes what we will treat in a later video will be dependent on what we've treated in a former video. And if you want certificate for this course, please just use a link in the description below on how to get certified for taking a course on our channel. Then I'll be seeing you in class, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.